In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable notifications in Slack. Whether you're working remotely or just trying to stay organized, controlling your Slack notifications can really help manage distractions while keeping you informed about the most important stuff. Let's dive in. First, open the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. You should sign in, if you haven't already, using your usual credentials. Once inside, you'll note that Slack's interface is user-friendly, yet packed with features. To begin managing your notifications, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your workspace name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, in the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This is where you'll customize how Slack notifies you about activity in your channels or direct messages. In the Preferences section, look for the Notifications tab on the left sidebar and give it a click. The main area on your screen will now offer a variety of notification settings. At the top, you'll see an option to toggle between enabling or disabling notifications completely. If you choose to disable, Slack will stop sending any alerts, but you'll still be able to see messages when you log into the app. On the other hand, if you want to enable notifications, you can tailor the settings to fit your needs precisely. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see options for My Keywords and Do Not Disturb. The My Keywords section allows you to input specific words or phrases that, when mentioned, will trigger a notification to ensure you don't miss important discussions. Meanwhile, the Do Not Disturb feature gives you the power to schedule periods when notifications are silenced, providing some respite during key work hours or overnight. Beneath that, you'll find settings related to the appearance and sound of notifications, where you can pick distinct sounds for different types of messages or opt for no sound at all. Here's a quick tip. Choosing unique sounds for different Slack conversations can help you distinguish between them without even glancing at your screen. If you're using the mobile app, there are additional options for tailoring how notifications appear on your phone, such as vibrate patterns or banner alerts. On the desktop version, these settings are a bit more concise but no less powerful. Once you're satisfied with your notification settings, you can simply close the Preferences window and Slack will remember your choices. You might need to experiment a little to find the best combination for your needs, but remember that these settings can be updated at any time. And there you have it. Your Slack notification center is now set up just the way you like it. With the ability to customize your alerts, your Slack experience becomes a tool that works for you, not against you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.